Hello everyone, John Cernuska here with MarineMax in Fort Myers, your man behind the camera today. We're going to look at a 2020 Sea Ray 190 SPX OB, the OB standing for the outboard engine, which is our preferred powertrain here in the coastal saltwater environment. She has the black gel coat color with black canvas and is optioned out with the Mercury 115 horsepower Pro XS outboard. This 190 is Sea Ray's entry-level sport boat. However, don't let that fool you. As you can see, there's plenty of comfortable seating, plenty of storage, cup holders pretty much everywhere you'd want one. Very comfortable helm seat, full gauge cluster, tachometer, speedometer, fuel level, trim, depth finder, and a nice Fusion stereo system as well, which is Bluetooth, so you can stream all your favorite music. Very large sun pad here at the aft of the boat with plenty of storage underneath the sun pad, and you can see some additional storage in the floor as well as storage under the bow cushions. So if you'd like some more information on this wonderful boat by Sea Ray, please contact me, John Cernuska, here in Fort Myers, MarineMax, 239-297-4788. Your man behind the camera today. Thank you very much.